free the two clubs this weekend. Me call inya away wins. Metre Shuba Arestica and Masawood Didi Dramani. Eugene, the omni say Masawood Didi Dramani out of possible 12 points away games. What me amase emu 10. Say we drop it only 2 points after 4 games away venues. And last Saturday, me can say House of Folk is the best performing away club in the 2025-2026 season. And indeed, that win against Baseke Holy Stars amomo etimi a solidify almost self as the best performing away team. Kudos to the boys. We the third time the Spain no so had to folk etimi +1 goal. Is credit to them because time omo be start adwuma na Eugene baby ba kwa na yesusu say Masawood enya ne right ne goal and also the final third of the games, and indeed the last 3 games, Otimia recordo +1 goals, nature say he is working on the attacking force, so I was a players ni moment so na itimi buane man the numbers say the beya obitimi de as solidify itself Ghana Premier League nim. And now to Shuba Arestica, Eugene, which that was said in the game of football, Eugene, if you lose a match, you drawing a match, which one is more important? Because league table no so Shuba Arestica lose 2 games. Shuba Arestica, Adriana Stars, won't draw any of the games. Shuba Arestica and Adriana Stars, they are yet to draw a game. About 8 matches, Eugene. Winning 6, and lose 2. And they are the league leaders with 18 points. But said they are not all canon. At the start of a presentation, we say 2 clubs are tasty defeat House of Folk and Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And over here House of Folk, you bet me did not compare Adriana Stars because House of Folk has equally played the same number of matches as Adriana Stars. But here comes the card say House of Folk Olusu game but or drop points are drawn games and untimine Adriana Stars enya the same number of points. That is telling you in the game of football most instances say or record draw bibira Eugene it goes against you. So House of Folk omonhwe omuntimi and reverted drawn games to wins because say one to me and win here Eugene. So what draw it propels other clubs a league nearby. You get it? No, so they accumulate points into more and now I think that Shuba Arestica is doing a good job. The Romanian international. Unse Obekaya time Adriana Stars announce the arrival no. Omo official handle say Shuba Arestica is back home. And indeed the signings are Shuba during the transfer season. Adriana Stars players or on board no Eugene. It tells you say they are really doing a good job after 8 matches on that top. Yahweh say ne third stint with Adriana Stars no obetimi abua Adriana Adriana Stars etimi abaye the champion of the Ghana Premier League. And I like the way now Eugene the Ghana Premier League the competition taking off Eugene. You could see say every weekend for the past 4 weekend yenya a new league leader. So we can be a new league leader. This is telling you that our game is being competitive and the game is being the competitive.
Sir, acquire Diana Medium. We before France.
I think it started with Heart of Lions.
Okay. And I medium
FM.
No more that 1, 2, 3. And then Diana Baby. Okay.
So I think say scanner
about Heart of Lions so scan the encounter some night a banner may in one way say I'm a dear but Minka say I'm a dear but teams need be a more young fast players no architects no we no
I do it there. It's a with time.
And me young word you more baby ana me ya wura mu pa because scano salaries near there was all mutuchi ano kra no na asamaba.
Now to Coach Karim Zito and Rantier Eugene. Last Saturday, Meka say Kumasi Asante Kotoko, whilst they are coming to play our favorite Baba Yara Sports Stadium, no, they would need to heal their wounds. And indeed, the assistant coach speaking to the media, Eka say Kumasi Asante Kotoko is wounded, and in whatever way heal your wounds, no, they are going to do it. And indeed, they've given us 4 goals. Ghana Premier League for the first time since Zito Ebeji Ejuman, and it's good for the team because Eugene, such games brings confidence back to the players and as well as to the supporting front, especially Ogwagobo Air Clasico of the Ghana Premier League away. Fans na Eugene, you will get them in their numbers to support the boys at this big stage, and some individual players be Eugene or Mobom. I think Lord Amoa should keep up with the form, no, Eugene.
Lord Amoa.
The ranks, the ranks, no, absolutely. Ubebo Aziz and said the Ubebo CIDD.
We see Inkum.
Inkum with me abon indi. And no, he was a man of himself.
Has a phone in
men.
Unkasa.
Has so Ransford men sound so any bad. The last time I was telling Nicholas, House of Folk left back no, or your potential Black Star quality.
Yes, I think
we are going to have the best Air Clasico because
that's why you went free because they see how they are okay there because you trade.
Say,
not Attakora.
Say, me can't.
Out of folk with your idea.
Kawasa, my uniform. Kawasa.
Lord Amoa should keep up with the form. I like it. He's making good runs. And those runs are being effective.
But I think say be my league, you know, and near Saba home.
Yes, you just
boy say, you know, how to focus.
Individually, the players are performing.
Over but Heart is a fourth with 16 points. So about 5 matches there. But Omoda 8th with 11 points. So until between Korokone has going into this game, no crano. Do more matches pay, but 5 points.
Okay.
And a separate of me, you know. About 5 matches. And you know, has since about 8 matches. The 3 matches are separate, but we have former coaches maybe we into the Clasico. There's a Sunday there. I was be a class posted in Okohe, a nice game. I was a Zubako. Now Jai the air you feel no Kokohe game no. Na Monday over now when you be aka. You know, Attakora
Eugene and another player so I think Mabonidi I've been a watchdog for him. Lord Hilary Adabo Eugene. And now so I like sending now Osi calm it down the midfield battles no. She say I say what she say you know as was settle our midfield no. Also starting season no. He was in a hurry to pass to release the passes. But Eugene say Enra, especially Enra. Yes, but they say you know the confidence is panning up, and I think say Hilary Adabo should also keep up the form. And Hubert Joe, I think say say he is the highlight player Kotoko ordinary Elko season him. Yeah, but you will see league in week Biana at least with me and my highlights and my the town league, you know. He should keep it up. Looking at where no Gina any Angola Otiminya in the direction naturally say he is a boy. So no so confidence not a pile up. Or no so confidence Ninia. He's going to give good account for himself at Ghana Premier League. Okay. And I think say my friend Donsu, he nearly got a goal, especially the 4th goal. Peter Midua had the final touch.
Highlights ma obochemu. Bono obochemu say.
It's Peter Mark
but now or try say you see na Peter ba the player ni hu no na ball ni twa me 2 defenders na chi.
But I like the move now.
He was excellent for me.
Take you on the goalkeeper. What's that, Eugene? And players with confidence and normally go that angle because he was able to out-trade the goalkeeper and he was able to slot the ball. And Peter Midu and the final. And Peter Midu, he should continue making goals each weekend because the style of play now Obon Eugene. So the goals come one obey unmatched in Ghana Premier League.
But I mean, so mean to say contract no more day man no on sign. Doctor